And Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Irdina Shafia binti Abdul Razak and my matric number is 14DTK22F1018.
Hi, my name is Nur Adrina Natasha binti Nur Hazali and my matric number is 14DTK22F1052.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Azim Azhar. My number matrix is F1049.
My name is Nur Ali Sadim bin Azlan. My matrix number is F1031.
Okay, now I'll explain about techniques of integration x-axis, which is area between a curve and the x-axis from x equal to a to x equal to b. The area of a region bounded by the curve y equal to fx, the x-axis and straight lines x equal to a and y equal to b shown in figure. Dekat rajah tu dia ada bagi x equal to a dengan x equal to b tu adalah area dia yang kita nak cari. Lepas tu guna formula yang kat sebelah tu, fx kurungan dx. Jalan penyelesaian dia sama je dengan volume, cuma kalau area dia ada fx je, tapi kalau volume dia ada kuasa 2. Lepas tu kalau x-axis dia dx. Sekarang untuk y-axis, which is area between a curve and the y-axis from y equal to a to y equal to b. The area of a region bounded by the curve x equal to fy, the y-axis and the straight lines y equal to a and y equal to b, as shown in figure. Untuk y-axis pula, dia dekat garis y, dekat garis y, iaitu ada a dengan b tu kan. Tak ada area dia. Lepas tu guna je formula kat sebelah dia tu, tapi fy dengan dy. Kalau yang x-axis tadi tu fx dengan dx.
My name is Irdina and I'm gonna explain about area under a curve for x-axis. So we got a graph here under equation fx equal to 4 minus x squared. So we need to write the formula first. Integral a to b fx dx. Integral 4 minus x squared dx equal to integral 4 dx minus integral x squared dx. So separate them first and then 4x minus x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c, and then we got 4x minus x power of 3 over 3 plus c. And then from what we got, we need to substitute the x. So area equal to 4x minus x power of 3 over 3 negative 2 to 2. So substitute the x. 4 multiply 2 negative 2 power of 3 over 3 minus 4 multiply of negative 2 minus negative 2 power of 3 over 3, and final answer is 32 over 3 unit square.
Okay, untuk y-axis punya solution pula, soalan dia, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to square root of x minus 1, the y-axis and the line y equal to 1, y equal to 5. Dia dah bagi tu y equal to 1 dengan y equal to 5. Maksudnya y equal to 1 tu yang A, y equal to 5 tu yang B. Ini kegunaan dia untuk dalam yang bentuk ular tu. Okay, untuk kes ni kita kena express x dia sebagai function of y. So jadikan x sebagai tajuk. Guna yang y sama dengan punca kuasa x tolak 1. Lepas tu pindah-pindahkan. Last kali jadikan x sebagai tajuk dan dapat y kuasa 2 tambah 1. Lepas tu masukkan dalam formula yang kita tahu kan. Masukkan dalam formula tu, area sama dengan yang bentuk ular tu, 1 kat bawah 5 kat atas. Sebab kalau dalam formula A kat bawah B kat atas kan. So 1 kat bawah 5 kat atas. Lepas tu kurungan tu masukkan je y tu, yang tadi tu, masukkan je yang tadi tu kan, y kuasa 2 tambah 1 dx. Ikut je formula. Lepas tu bukan dx, dia dy. Ujung sekali dia tu dy sebab kita tengah buat yang y axis. Lepas tu integrate, lepas tu simplify macam biasa, dapatkan jawapan dia last kali, dapatlah 45 1/3 unit.
Volume of revolution of x-axis. The volume of the solid regenerated when the region which is enclosed by the curve y equal to fx, the x-axis, and the straight lines x equal to a and x equal to b, as shown in figure, is removed through 360 above x-axis is given by. So as you can see, this is the figure that I mentioned before. To find the volume, volume is equal to pi integral a to b fx squared dx. So this is the few steps that you can use to calculate the volume. Step 1. Sketch the side view of the revolved region. So you can sketch like a figure above. Step 2. Find the volume of a representative disk. You can find the volume using volume formula like I mentioned before, which is pi integral a to b fx squared. And then Evaluate the integral and compute the volume of the solid. And don't forget to write the unit and you're done.
The volume of the solid regenerated when the region which is enclosed by the curve x equal to Fy, the y-axis and the straight lines y equal to A, y equal to B, as shown in figure, is revolved through 360 degree. About y-axis is given by, as you can see on the figure, y equal to 1 and y equal to B. Okay, so we jump to the step. I'll explain it generally without solving it, and the complete explanation will be explained later. Okay, first, rearrange the equation to make x as the subject from y equal to square root of x minus 1, and it will get x equal to y power of 2 plus 1. Next, use the equation given with a equal to 1, b equal to 3, and x equal to y power by 2 plus 1 as shown next. Okay, next, simplify the integrand. Integrate each term separately, and next, substitute the limits. And last, simplify the resulting answer and write it as an exact fraction in terms of pi, as shown next.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Azim bin Azham. My matrix number is F1049, and I am going to explain to you about how to solve y-axis question. Okay, first we take a look at the graph. The info on the graph is y equal to x squared plus 1, and on the x-axis, x1 is 1 and for x2 is 3. To solve this, first we must look at the formula for x-axis. x2 will be 3 and x1 will be 1. For fx, we will put x squared plus 1 and we will move pi to the in front of the equation. The next steps will be to expand the equation to get rid of the square outside of the bracket in the equation. The new equation will be x to the power of 4 plus 2x squared plus 1. After that, we will integrate the equation to get rid of the x, and the new equation will be x power of 5 over 5 plus x plus 2x cubed over 3 plus x, and move the limit to the right of the bracket 3 and 1 as shown in the slide. The next step we will substitute the limit. For the first bracket, it will be 3 power of 5 over 5 plus 2 times 3 cubed over 3 plus 3. And for the second bracket, it will be 1 over 5 plus 2 over 3 plus 1. And we will solve this equation using calculator. And the result will be 1016 over 5 pi. And the result will be 1016 over 15 pi unit cube. I will pass this presentation to Adi Sadiq to explain to you about y-axis question.
Thank you, Azim, for your explanation about how to solve volume of revolution x-axis. Now I'm going to show you guys how to solve volume of revolution but in y-axis. But before that, my name is Nur Adi Sadiq bin Azlan. My matrix number is F1031, and I'm going to show you guys how to solve this question. So can we see in the slide, which is we got y values, which is the region bounded by the graph is y equal to x squared, y equal to 0, and y equal to 6. So to solve this question, we must look at the formula for y-axis. Y squared will be 6 and y1 will be 0. For fy, we will put set y and we will move to pi in front of the equation. So the next step, which is we will expand the equation to get rid of square outside of the equation. So the new equation will be y only because it has been square root and have square power square. So the next is we will substitute the limit for the first bracket, which is 6. We need to switch y to 6, and the second bracket we need to switch y over to 0, and then we will got 6 squared over 2 minus 0. So lastly, we will solve this equation by using calculator. We need to insert 6 squared over 2 minus 0, and we will get 18. So the last answer we will get is 18 pi unit cube. So that is it from our team. Thank you.